I'm going to see a doctor for my issues that's been going on. I haven't slept in months. Now look who's up. Just look. Oh my god, I thought I had a little more time to myself. I haven't been on here even like 10 minutes yet. Oh my god, you guys, I'm just coming back on the vlog. It's like after 11 o'clock at night. Okay, my period came down and I was feeling bad all day. Okay, ever since I had a baby now, ever since I had Brianna, my period been a mess. I never had crumbs before. I had a little bit of crumbs. I never used to feel bad. Nothing like that. Now, ever since I had Brianna, like, I be feeling nauseous, just horrible. Okay, so yeah, I was never one of those girls that had period like weird symptoms. I don't know, girl. I just was never one of those girls. Now I am. So anyways, it's 11 o'clock at night and I said, you know what, I need footage. I'm just getting out of bed, so I'm about to pack some clothes. And it's so dark. The laundry service is coming tomorrow, so I need to pack. I didn't pack. Okay, you guys, so I'm done. I honestly had good intentions for this vlog this morning when I woke up, but there was other plans for me. Nature came, okay? So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Good morning, you guys. So the clothes are packed and ready for the washing service to come. I'm just waiting on them. Yeah, I'm just waiting on them, you guys. Like, Denise, hurry up, because I want to use the bathroom so bad, but I don't want to go in the bathroom and they end up coming. And my period is on. I'm all cramped up. Like, I also want to jump in the shower as well. Oh my goodness, I need to hurry up come. Woo child, good morning you guys. So the laundry came late yesterday. So I'm about to go and put them up because you know they come full. So all I have to do is just put the laundry up. So let me just tidy up my hair a little bit. Yeah. So I'm going to see a doctor, okay? I need to go and see a doctor for my issue. My issues that's been going on, okay? I'm tired. I haven't slept in months. I need to get some rest. So I'm thinking about going. I'm not thinking, I'm going. I'm going to a private clinic. Private doctor just to go and check on me. Cause I need rest, okay? I need some sleep. I'm not getting no sleep. I haven't slept in months. So it's like weighing on me now. So I have to go and see a doctor. I've been trying like different stuff. I've been trying to clear my head because you know sometimes I overthink and I'm always thinking. So what I do is just try blank out my mind, and that isn't helping. Like nothing is helping. I don't know what's wrong with me. And these lines are coming too big under my eye. Okay, it just no. I don't want to look 40 before I reach 40. Okay, I don't want that. So I need to get this problem under control. So that's the plan, to go see a doctor. I don't want to go to the public clinic because the wait is long and it's ridiculous. I'd rather just go to an outside doctor. I need to prepare myself for that. I don't know what the price is going to be. You know, they probably will run some tests or whatever like that. And that's probably like an arm and a leg. So I need to get the money for that. So that's the plan, okay? Yeah. I'm just gonna finish up my hair, then I'm gonna tackle those clothes, yeah. Oh my god, the whole time I was not even recording. This is so annoying. Anyways, so I'm running out of storage, so I had to stop recording. I have one more bag of clothes left to put up. Then I'm going to jump in the shower and have my coffee outside. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Anyways, guys, so I've been trying to figure out why I was making my coffee while I was so tired. I was like, oh my god, I'm so tired. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I did not know sleep last night. Of course. I'm just like here sipping on some coffee. Brianna's knocked out. So I get a few minutes to myself. Plus a plus. I'm talking with the headphones because I don't want to talk too loud. I don't need everybody up in my business. Oh jeez. What's the oh my goodness, these wasps is crazy out here. Oh my goodness. Anyways guys, I'm just gonna sit outside and enjoy my coffee. Hopefully I don't get stung. So yeah. Now look who's up. Just look. Oh my god, I thought I had a little more time to myself. I haven't been on here even like 10 minutes yet. And Brianna's already up. Girl! Go to sleep. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. Where's your father? Anyways guys, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully I have enough footage. I think I have enough footage. So I will see you guys in the next one, and I will also update you guys on what is going on. Yeah.